Create account in a GitHub is as simple as like create account in the Facebook. Just write it down on URL GitHub, GitHub. That's it. Search on it. You'll getting the first link of the GitHub, github.com. Just click on there. The first page look like this one, and you have to sign up. If you don't have any account, you have to sign up here. But for me, I already have an account, so I'll not do the sign up. I'll do the sign in. But going for a sign up, you have to pass the email ID here. Let's begin. It's showing the let's begin option. You pass the email ID here. I will pass recurrent dot learning @gmail.com. You have to pass everything, and after that continue. It will asking some questions. You have to fill all the question, and after that you will getting a sign in option. You have to provide the email ID and a password, everything. Now I already have an account, so I will not create an account one more time. I'll go back and create I'll do the sign in. Let me do the sign in here. Already password is available here. Yeah, signing. So after creating an account and signing in, your page will be look like this one. Now it's time to create one repository. Repository in the first time it will showing the option here, but you will find it out the create the repository in the many places like here when you go to your profile page here. You'll getting your profile page where you can create a proper profile. So at least if you create, sign in the first time in a GitHub, you pass all the details here. Like here, I pass the educational content. Your name should be there. All the links like your social media links or any other link if you have, you can provide there. Okay, and you can create the repository here also, or else you'll getting the option here. Anywhere you can just click it. I'm just clicking it here, your repository. So right now I don't have any repository. You're getting option this one, new, means I want to create a repository. Let's click it. You'll find it out the repository. As I said, that repository is a kind of one particular folder where you can put your all the files, right? Folder for GitHub. So now here you can provide some any repository name. It's not important your repository name should be unique. Okay, your username should be unique. All right. So here I can write repository name is GitHub content. Okay, GitHub content. You can write anything. You can provide the GitHub content some description as well. Uh, please find out GitHub uh, description PDF. Okay, so in the last video which I explained the PPT and a PDF, you can find it out here in this repository as well. I've already provided in the description in the link. You can find it out here. So here you have a private and public option. If you're doing the private, so you choose who can see and commit your repository, means everyone cannot see your repository. But if you by default is always public, if you're making as a public, that time anybody can see your repository. And always click add readme file where you can put some documentation over there. Okay, and choose the license, just make it none, don't do anything, and create repository. Okay, just click on a create repository. Your repository is created now. So you'll find it out, this link is available in the description. When you click on this link, you'll find it out the same repository. Okay, in a readme right now is showing that a GitHub content, and in case if you want to upload some files, okay, so there is an option add file, upload file here. And here you can create a file here over there, like if you're writing the code you can also create here as well. And if you want to upload, just click on upload here. So it is asking for a drag and drop. if you can drag it files only, not a folder you can't add it here. Okay, if you have suppose big folder and you want to add it here, so you can't choose a folder, you can't drag and drop the folder. Drag and drop folder is okay, you can drag and drop, but here you can choose a files only. So my files is available in a documentation and GitHub. That PDF name is available here. And okay, so repository, I already explained that. It's one kind of one folder where your file is available. Okay, but inside that repository, you can also create one more folder, and here you have to you can write some statements so that in the future, if you want to check that what files you have uploaded, so you can find it out. So I'm just writing here upload uh, GitHub PDF. Okay, this for a reference purpose and automatically store in the main branch. Commit. Commit is giving the green signal that you are uploading something on a GitHub. So this link is available. You can check it. You'll find it out. Same link and all the files is available here. And this is the public link, and you can share with your friends so that they can access this GitHub PDF. By default, it's showing in the main branch. This is the branch by default showing in the main branch. But if you want to create any other branch, so you can also create it. Like I'm just creating the branch aim is a testing. So question is, what is the purpose of create the branch, right? So we're creating the branch so that like main branch is always a default branch, and most of the time the project is available over there. So suppose if you want to do some experiment, we never do the experiment on directly on a main project. So we always creating the branch and do the experiment there. Or we can say one more purpose like uh, suppose in a project have the multiple categories available. So the one category is not yet completed. The one category is not yet triggered with the main branch. So we are not directly triggering with the main branch. We are doing the in the test only. Just create the branch here, and when it's done completely, that time we are merging to the main branch.